There sure are.
Well, we could attend the same bath as a pool. Look at how it far down I could go. Great.
Whee, I'm floating. Can you float on your back?
We did the easy we do with float.
Can you dive down?
Yes. Hey, can you see my paws?
I sure can. Can you see my paws?
Yes.
Can you see my wings?
Yes.
Can you see my ears?
Yes. My tail sticking out. Hey, I'm wearing a moon collar.
You are. I'm wearing a pink spiky collar.
Oh, it has nothing on it too. My collar has a moon on it.
That's super cool.
And my moon collar is a yellow. And my eyes are pink, yellow, and black. Other way. My fur is purple. I brought to you.
My fur is silver, and my collar is pink, and I splashed you back.
I brought you back.